All right, welcome to all you intelligent and beautiful people out there. I'm Maddie Adams, and I want to introduce you to my channel. If you are interested in outer space, I would highly recommend that you subscribe. I'm starting out with just doing some different universe simulations and some basic space education, but we are going to continue in the types of things that interest me. My biggest motivations are that a lot of times when I'm looking for specific YouTube videos, I can't really find ones that are answering the questions that I want answered, so I'm going to start making those types of videos. It might be a little bit niche in some areas, not every single video might be for you, and that's all right. But I would highly recommend that you give me a like and subscribe. I do a lot of different fun shorts, as well as more longer form videos, simulations, and I plan on doing a lot of great things with this channel, along with all of your support.